Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 can't connect to Wi-Fi. And if you are facing Wi-Fi connection issues on Windows 11, here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to restart your PC and router. Turn off your router, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. And also restart your PC and refresh the network connection. If that is not working, you can go with further steps. Now you need to press Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu. You can just go to search bar and search for setting also working for this. Then after, make sure you are in system section in the left side menu. In the right side menu, scroll down a little bit until you find troubleshoot option. Just tap on it and choose the other troubleshooters. Now you need to find network adapter in this menu. Scroll down, it is right here. Just tap on run. It will be detecting the problems and fixing it for you. And sometime it will be help to fix the problem and guide you through how to fix that one. And you can choose the network adapter kind of things, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, all network adapters, and you can choose the whichever you need. Then after tap on next. Then you need to follow the on-screen instruction to fix your issue. I'm not going to do that. Okay, close this one, and if it is not working, you have to do this method. You have to forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. To do that, just go to task bar, just tap on it. You can see currently I am connected to this network. You have to right click on it, tap on forget. Then after it will be forget the router and password. Now you need to again go to Wi-Fi icon, tap on this and tap on your router, tap on connect, and you can enter the password and then connect again. It will be also help to fix the problem. If that also not working, you have to update or reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. To do that, just right click on the start menu, go to device manager. I'm going to expand this one and find the network adapters. It is right here. Just double tap on it. You can see there are several adapters here. You can go right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. Do this method for all these drivers in your case. So then after you can restart your computer and check again problem is fixed or not. And if it is not working, again right click on it, go to device manager, again go to network adapters, choose whichever you need, right click on it, tap on uninstall device and tap on uninstall. This will uninstall completely your Wi-Fi driver. Then after you need to restart your computer, then it will be automatically install the necessary drivers for you. And if it is not working, you have to reset the network setting. To do that, press Windows plus I in your computer. It will be open settings menu. In the left side menu, go to network and internet. Then scroll down a little bit, go to advanced network setting in the last option. And scroll down. There is option called network reset. Just tap on it, tap on reset now. It will be reset all the network settings. And close this one. Then after you can check the airplane mode is turned on. Just go to taskbar and click on this little Wi-Fi icon kind of things in here. Make sure you are disable the flight mode. If it is enabled, you have to disable that one. Before finally, you can check the Windows updates. To do that, go to start menu, tap on setting. In the left side menu, go to Windows update. And if you pause the Windows update, just tap on resume. And if you can see there's a button called check for updates, just tap on it. Then it will be download latest update for you. Then after you need to restart your computer. And final method is you have to use the command prompt to reset your network. To do that, close this one, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type this command one by one. Net sh space win sock. space reset. Hit enter. This will reset the windsock. Then after you need to type net sh space int space ip space reset. Once it is completed, then after you need to type ip config space / release. Hit enter. Once it is completed, then you need to type ip config space / renew. Hit enter. And if it is completed, finally you need to type ip config space / flush DNS. Hit enter. Then after, restart your computer. These 8 methods are fix your problem, and if it is not fix your problem, that means your network adapter has a physical damage or it will be not working. So you have to meet the computer technician and find the problem related with your driver. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.